everybody, this is Melissa from the library, here to show you a really fun service that we are offering here in the children's department. It's called the Tween Book Box. So basically the Tween Book Box is it's like this really cool box that you can reserve in the online catalog. And each box has a book inside, a surprise book inside, and some fun prizes, as maybe sometimes a craft inside as well. The idea with this is that it's kind of a surprise. You really don't know what you're going to get until you open it and pick it up. You can place this on hold in our catalog, and each of the boxes have a different genre. So for example, the one I'm holding is historical fiction. We also have a fantasy box, and we have a realistic fiction. So you're probably thinking, what is realistic fiction? That means that the book takes place during current times, so it's more of like a modern book. In the boxes, you might get a surprise graphic novel that kind of has fantasy elements, or you might also get just like a regular book off the shelf too as well. So basically, I'm also going to show you what you can find inside your box in a couple of seconds. So let's take a look at the Tween Book Box. So inside the Tween Book Box, you'll get some cute little prizes inside, which are more kind of like, I want to say more of like the higher tier ones. So for example, in this one, there's like a cute little cat in there, as well as like a squishy little unicorn thing toy. Anyway, all the different boxes have different prizes inside, so they're not necessarily all like the same thing. Inside it, you also get, let's see, a little comment card inside that says, like, asks you whether or not you like the book or not, and you can share your comments with us. And then you also get a cute bookmark in here. So this one have a cute hot dog one. And then you also get the book inside. So the idea is that you don't know what the book is, so you're going to be like totally surprised by it. The only thing with this is that you get to keep everything that I just showed you, but you do have to return the box and the book. So if you are in grades 3 to 5, 3rd through 5th grade, I would definitely recommend checking out one of these cute book boxes we'll have available in the catalog as well in the children's department. So I hope you really enjoy our really cute, adorable, like I said, Tween Book Box.